welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic. It is about the dark circles, and it is one of the very important skincare that we should actually invest more time and product in, because nowadays it is very important to take care of our dark circles because we are very much prone to gadgets, blue light, and even stress. Plus, we all are sleep deprived. So it is very important to understand and pick the right product for your skin. So yeah, I think without wasting much time, let's get into the review. So first, let me introduce you to the Buddha Naturals Anti-Dark Circles Eye Serum. And this is one of the serum I have been using since a while now, and I am absolutely loving how this has reduced my dark circles and made my face look more brighter. Even it is helping me with all the pigmentation around my eyes. So first, let's check out the packaging. As you can see, this is a glass bottle. It is super handy. You can keep it in your wallet, in your purse, in your handbag, anywhere you want, and you can just carry this around. Plus comes with a metallic cover, and then it has a roll-on applicator. So this is very convenient. So it's not going to spill the product, it's not going to lead to any wastage, or even it's not going to make it messier if you are keeping this in your bags. So now let's check out the ingredients, what it has. So this contains aloe vera, papaya, orange water extracts, rose extracts, ashwagandha, cucumber, and even sea buckthorn oil. And all of these ingredients helps in lighten, brighten, and even it is going to make your face look very radiant. It's going to remove the dark circles, especially just because it has orange extracts. I got this because it has vitamin C. Orange is vitamin C, and it helps in getting dark circles fade, and even vitamin C is antioxidant, which reduces the oxidative stress and helps in rejuvenating your skin. So if you start using this product, you'll see in 3 to 4 weeks you will see the changes under your eyes. It is going to definitely reduce the dark circles, but for the best results you will have to keep applying this at least for 2 to 3 months. So then only you will see the dark circles has been completely reduced and it has fade away. And I will definitely recommend you to use this product at least twice a day. Firstly in the morning when you're doing your morning skincare routine, and then when you're doing the nighttime skincare. And not only this works only for the dark circles, it's even going to reduce the puffiness around your eyes, and it's going to make sure that not only it is lightening your dark circles, even if you have any kind of pigmentation around your eyes, you can just apply this and leave it on. You can even massage it with the ring finger and you can just make it absorb. I don't prefer to massage when it's the night skincare routine. I just let it sit and absorbs in its own. But when I'm doing my day care routine, I definitely go for little bit of massage with my ring finger. Plus this even tightens the skin around the eyes, because it's one of the very delicate skin of our face, and it does get loose whenever we are more exposed to lot of sun damage, using a lot of gadgets, and even constantly if we are stressing our eyes, we do get such kind of issues. So now I'm going to apply the product and show you as a demo. So now here you can see me applying this on my hand. It has a very lightweight liquid serum consistency, which is not greasy at all, and even going to absorb into your skin super fast. As I said, you can even massage this with your finger, or even you can leave it on. It's up to you, whatever you prefer. And most of the time when I'm applying this, I feel it's very calming, soothing. It doesn't have a lot of fragrance, something super duper mild, which is I think from using the natural ingredients itself. So in this product you are not going to get any artificial or synthetic fragrance or color. So it's a natural based product and even it is cruelty free, and it's an Indian made brand. So as you have seen me applying just underneath the eyes, even if you have any pigmentation and discoloration on your lids area, you can even apply it. You can go circularly on your eyes and it is definitely going to calm you down, and even you are going to feel a lot relaxed when you are going off to sleep at night. Plus the brand claims promise of purity, and it's absolutely cruelty free, paraben free and sulfate free. And as I said earlier as well, it has no synthetic color or even fragrance, plus it has no mineral oils. So even if you wish to get your hands on the Buddha Naturals anti dark circles eye serum, you can just check out the link in the description box. It's there. Even their website is flashing on the screen, so you can surely go visit their website and see all the goodness about all the products you wish to buy. You can include this one product for your skincare because it's definitely going to change the game. As you can see, I had a lot of dark circles, but it has been removed, and even I am absolutely enjoying this product, using it since a while now. This is like my second bottle, and that's why I thought, why not, let me just share my views with you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a like and even subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.